Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto City once again. So we are here with another interesting analysis in front of you, and this is right now Solana in front of you, and we are looking at a beautiful channel, perfectly following and perfect in action basically. So, and we have marked this really important zone as well for you, so you can actually identify the reversal points through which at which we can see some good activity, or actually uh, you know below to this you can say, like, it can come and test the support of the channel, but you cannot ignore the zone. So zone is very important for us. This is daily chart in front of you, and we cannot ignore this. And this is definitely important thing to look at it, and we hope that it can come to this point, and from here it can actually start reversing, and we will see what happens next. But it's really important to keep an eye on this structure. So both things here, when the structure was in making, this gives you a good opportunity at this point, and this really gives you a good edge. And what I will tell you guys is to save your capital and wait for the right point. Do not, rush for trading. There are days in which you might not be able to find some, good trades, but and proper days will come where you can actually make some good profits. But the only way you would be able to achieve that, you and your capital is still in the market. So your capital is you, all right? So that creates a difference, all right? So this is a perfect structure that we hope it will complete eventually, and it can go till here. This is, this is important to keep an eye on it, but let me just, move it. We have wick till here, so it can go a little and it can grab some liquidity below to this as well, and then it can start following the good momentum, and it will make some good momentum as well. So I think, yeah, that's all. We will conclude this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time, guys.